the hell's Dirk?
All right, thank you.
Where is he?
At the library.
Dirk, where the hell you at? This showcase from the Michigan Masonic Museum and Library highlights an annual training seminar hosted by the Grand Lodge of Michigan every spring, which functions as an opportunity for a variety of lodge officers to learn more about their leadership role within the lodge, strategies for the successful performance of their offices, and the organizational resources available to them. Senior Deacon's Day 2019 was held at Masonic Pathways in Alma, Michigan, and brought together both new and experienced lodge officers from around the state to share ideas, make new friends, and help make our fraternal leadership the strongest it can be. There's a whole bunch of people here. I just decided to show up. This is the Lodge Officers Training Day, as I understand it, Walt. Secretaries and treasurers, junior deacons, and senior deacons are getting trained today. With the assistance of knowledgeable organizational staff and veteran fraternal leadership, attendees didn't just enjoy practical advice on how best to serve their lodges, but also how their lodges can best serve their communities.
Their duties as senior deacons of the Blue Lodge to be good ambassadors to the Charitable Foundation, to bring the different programs and ways to assist brothers in need.
Just coming up here for Senior Deacon Day. Had a good time, got a lot of information, got to tour the home, it was beautiful.
Well, I'm learning about the Charitable Foundation and my role as the Senior Deacon of Grand Rapids Lodge 34 and being a liaison for my lodge and the Charitable Foundation.
They're all great, to be honest, but the senior deacon is the one that makes the first impression on the candidate when he is first brought into that lodge room. And with him performing his duties correctly, that will be a lasting impression with the newly made Mason the rest of his life.
Direct contact with program facilitators and jurisdictional leaders help lodge officers position themselves and their lodges to make the biggest positive impact on their membership and society as a whole.
We have officers coming over from all the lodges in the state to learn about mainly the Michigan Masonic Charitable Foundation, the Michigan Masonic Home and the services we provide. Also have the opportunity to learn about Live Better and our new Outreach and Member Care Department.
So, Live Better Home and Outreach and Member Care. What you really want to remember is this 800 number here. If you need anything, whether it's financial information or information referral, helping connect you to those resources in the community, this is your one-stop phone number for anything that you should need.
It has to be a nonprofit for the bus grant. And we have information right there.
We have a copy of the presentation that they're going to do today, so we're giving them one per lodge to take home in case they need to see it again or someone wasn't here.
The foundation bought the pins, so everything's free. All we need is a list of names, your branch of service, and then we'll get those gift shots for everybody.
Whether you're looking to sharpen your skills as a lodge officer or discover what grants, scholarships, or programs your lodge can offer to its members and the community at large, training programs within the fraternity are great opportunities to learn, to grow, and to participate in this important life. I'm Dirk Hughes with the Michigan Masonic Museum and Library. Until next time.